Okay, I made a little correction over here because I had made mistake over there. As you can see, um, if we are moving from millimeter to kilometer, then this is 1 2 3 4 4 digit number should be divided with the number. Okay, from meter to kilometer, we have meter over here, we need to convert it into kilometer and meter. Now if you want to convert this meter into kilometer, then we are moving up to 1 2 3 4 4 digit. Okay, then we are supposed to divide our 1234 with 4 digit number, which is 1000 for us. Okay, if we are supposed to move from meter to decameter, then we are moving up to only 2 digits. So our number which we are going to divide with the main number, it should be 10. Exactly like for 3 digit, it should be 100. Exactly same way, if you are moving downward, then from meter to millimeter, we are going to moving for 1 2 3 4 4 digit number should be multiplying, which one is 1000. And you will be very happy to know that in 1 meter there are 1000 millimeter, because it is getting multiplied with 1000. Okay, or you can say in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so 3 digit number 1 2 3. See, it's pretty logical. I really don't know uh, where did if you have any kind of other explanation with your mind, you can just present me when we are in class or something like this. Definitely you can let me know if you have any other better way, because I would love to learn. Okay, I would love to learn. Now come back to our math. We are changing our meter into kilometer and meter. So for meter, we are moving up to 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4 digit. So we are supposed to divide our this number with 4 digit, which one is 1000. Now as we have already divided that part, it means we cannot write down what? We cannot write down meter here, because the if we dividing that, it means it already changed its unit and it will be kilometer. Okay, never ever forget to give that small dot after the your unit, because you are writing the unit as a short form. Okay, if you are writing elaborated form, then you are not supposed to that give that. Okay, abbreviated form or something like that. Now I want to tell you another thing. I hope you remember from class 4 that if you are dividing any number with this kind of lots of zeros or 1 2 zeros base number, then what we can say? We can say that now like this. Now like this, we are going to do what? We are going to mark that and mark this one. So our answer will be 1 and remainder will be 2 3 4. I hope that you remember that part. Okay, marking that zeros, how many 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 digit will be our reminder, and this one is dividing 1, which is answer is 1. Okay, it can be possible with only 10 base number like this. There are 10 tens, 100 tens, there are 100 tens. Okay, how it is possible? If you think, then you will get it very easily. So by the explanation of that thing, definitely you will understand that there are 1 2 3. That means our reminder is 1 2 3 up to 234 is our reminder. Now 1 is dividing 1, our result is 1 kilometer, and that one which is reminder, they are actually meter. Okay, it's pretty easy, very easy. And here is our answer of the first part. Okay, now we are going to go for the second part, which just said that hectometer, decameter and millimeter. Okay, now you have to understand more, little bit more. Please stay with me and practice a lot. the math is actually, only you can do math or only you can understand the math very properly is the only one way, which one I will say, practicing. Okay, practice makes someone perfect. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. Now as you can see, that one is actually our answer based, and we don't have to give any plus over here. But now I am dividing that part, I am taking that part meter 234 meter in another place, other math, actually other part of math. This is why I am giving plus sign over here. And now as you see that I am having meter and I have to go up to hectometer, so I am moving upward 1 2 3 digit number should be getting divided. Okay, this number is should be divided with 3 digit number, and 3 digit number is our 100. And remember that whenever you are actually writing any dividing any number, it means the unit got changed and it will be hectometer. Hectometer. Now again look, 2 digit, 2 zeros, and our remainder is this one. So don't even think to mark it. Okay, don't, because I am actually showing you just a way, don't go through that. So this is our remainder, 34 is our remainder, which is go back to the last unit, it will change as a last unit. Okay, and the rest of this 2 is dividing 1 is dividing 2, so our answer will be 2 hectometer, and 34 meter. Okay, I am going to explain more, so many more times, so many times, so you don't have to get worried about it. Okay, just be with me. Now you can see I am meter, I have meter, and I have to go for decameter. And decameter, if you want to go from meter to decameter, we are actually dividing our 34 with 2 digit number, and 2 digit number is actually 10. Now you can see that they are actually, their work is done, so I am not putting any plus over here. This one we are going to work with, this is another part, this is why I am going to give plus 1 plus over here. And from meter to hectometer we are moving upward for only 2 digit or 2 steps, so we are going to divide with 2 step 2 digit number, which one give us decameter. And now 1 0 and only 4 is our remainder, so this 4 will be go up to the previous, go back to the previous unit. So it will be 1 kilometer, 2 hectometer, 3 is dividing with 1, it means 3 decameter, and 4 meter. See, this is how you do math. Okay, this is how you do math. They are pretty easy. If you know go through for a few times with the video, then definitely you will understand that. This is the another part of the wind. So I am going to explain another time. From meter, if you want to convert into kilometer, then we are actually going how many steps? Let's see. Meter 1 2 3 4. From meter to kilometer there are 4 steps. That means we are going to divide our number with 4 digit number. So dividing 4 digit number, dividing with 4 digit number, the unit will get changed. Okay, as we are dividing, it means already it is kilometer. Okay, but after having the remainder, by counting the zeros, you will understand the remainder will actually go back to what? Go back to the previous unit. So 1 dividing 1 kilometer, and the remainder is meter. Okay, now the other part, this kilometer will be stay in its place because that part math is done. Now we have to convert our 234 meter into hectometer. So we have to count the step 1 2 3 step. That means we have to divide with 3 digit number, and 3 digit number is actually 100. Now again count the 0 1 2, that means 1 2 34 is our previous unit, which one is meter. And if you divide 2 with 1, our answer will be 2 hectometer. Same way this part math is done, we are not going to touch that part, so we are keeping that part here, and as we will do math for this part, so we are giving plus over here. Remember that if you are doing math, then you have to separate the math with plus. Okay, now 34 we have to go for decameter, meter to decameter, 2 step 2 digit number. So we are dividing 34 with 2 digit number, the unit become decameter, but the remainder will go back to our previous unit, which one is meter. Now I am going to give you few more examples. Stay with me. Now we are going to do this part of the math, and this one is 2 number math. Exactly like the previous one, we are going to convert into kilometer and meter. So from meter we are jumping up to kilometer. So let's see, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 4 step. We are actually moving up to 4 steps. So we are supposed to divide with 1000. Divide with what? 1000. Let me show you. Let me write a little bit. Divide with 1000. If you want, you can also write like this. So just small simple reminder for your copy, note copy. If you, it's not needed to write down in your this is not important to write down in your exam copy. Just writing down this part for making sure you are not making any mistake. That's it. That will work for me. Okay, now meter into kilometer, dividing with 1000. Go for it. Dividing with 1000, it means the unit meter change into kilometer. Now look here, we are actually having what? We are actually having reminder as is 050. Okay, 050. So from this page, the next one, just for just a reminder, the next part of this math, you have to kilometer and decameter. Okay, just to know. Now writing down the reminder, which one is 50, previous reminder will go back to the previous unit, and 3 is getting divided with 1, 3 kilometer and 50 meter. That is one part of your answer, and the other part of the answer, they say that kilometer and decameter. From I have meter, so from meter to going up to decameter, it means 2 steps. So divide that meter with 2 digit number. Which one is? You tell me. It is actually 10. Okay, 10. So meter will become decameter. And another important thing, as this one is active math we are doing, and this one is our answer already done, so we are going to put a plus over here, and now it is 3 kilometer, and as this one is answered, reminder is 0, so we will not have any kind of reminder, so it will not get back to previous unit. 5 ones are 5 decameter. This is your another part of the answer. Okay, this is very simple math, effective way to do. Don't get worried, just keep practicing with me. That's it. Now the next part of the length chapter, that one is, or length lesson, whatever you say, that one is a a map, and they say that map around the school, and there's school, there's Jalil house, that one is Mina's house. Look, they are actually houses, and this one is Reza's house, Chitra's house, and Ujjal's house. Okay, that one is bank. This is a stoppage. That one is bank. This stoppage is actually for hospital. That one is for Reza's house, and that stoppage is for Bajar. This one is for post office, and this one is Ujjal's one, and that one is actually I don't know. There are 3 road actually, Y-shaped road, and this one is for school. Okay, now they ask you few questions. This one is just a trick question, puzzle type and riddle type. Actually I really like them. how far it is from Chitra's house to the school. Now we have to find out Chitra's house. This one is Chitra's house, okay, and there are two ways to go to Chitra's school from to school from Chitra's house. One way is via Bazaar and another way is via hospital or bank, okay. So I choose actually via Bazaar. This one is this seems little bit shorter. Let me show you. So I have done like adding up with the from here to there it is 800 meter. I have write down 800 meter from Bazaar to the Y-shape road. It is 480 meter, and from Y-shape road to the school it is 965 meter. So I have done the addition over here. By adding we got 2245 meter, okay. This is the answer from Chitra's house. School is 2245 meters away. If they ask you to convert it into kilometer, then you have to divide with 1000. That's it, nothing else, okay. Just a trick question, but trick question, my dear students, okay. The another question they ask you is via Bazaar and via bank, okay. Both of there's two way actually Reza can go to school. Reza's house is here via Bazaar. This is one way, and via bank there is another way. See, over here and over here, like this. Now they say that they ask us which one is shorter way, okay, shorter than the other one. As you can see, that one, this is going over here, then over there, then over there. Definitely Bazaar way is longer than the short way. So just we need to find it out. We are adding that part, that part, that part and that part, and then we are adding that part, that part, that part and that part. Now let's see. As I said, I have already added that part via Bank Road, part of Bank Road and part of Bazaar Road, and you see the answer. Bank Road is smaller, pretty smaller than Bazaar Road, so he should go via Bank Road, right? Now I have write down over here. I write down the few answers. You can see 3070 meter is greater than 1830 meters, so via Bank Road is shorter. That one is shorter. Small means shorter. And 3 number, they said make few more question and solve them. This one is for you. You have to make your own question and solve it. If you have any kind of problem, then you can go and talk with me. Go where? Actually online, okay. I am here always. You can call me or you can text me in appropriate time. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now we are going to do this one, white one, okay. I really like this maths. The first math, white one, is they said meter and meter, we need to add them, then we need to convert them into kilometer, hectometer and decameter, okay. So you already know which part we are going to do, how we are going to do them. Just stay with me, and this one I am going to show you definitely, and this one also. This one I will ask you to do by yourself, because it is, if you can understand that part and that part, you will understand. You will actually, you can do, inshallah you can do that part by yourself. Already you can see that I have added them and I have write down the number. Let me check it again, because I have done one mistake lately, so I should be very more careful actually. Okay, now this one is the addition of the meter, okay. That part is meter and that part is meter. Never ever forget that. You cannot add meter with kilometer just like that, 5 kilometer and 3 meter. You cannot make it 5 kilometer and 3 meter like this, okay. 8 kilometer or 8 meter. No, this is not going to happen. You cannot do that. What you have to do, either you have to convert them in the same unit for measurement chapter, especially for measurement chapter actually, and time chapter also. Otherwise you have to convert them into same unit, kilometer or also meter, okay. Either way it will work, but you cannot just directly add them. It's not possible. Now from meter, already you know, from meter we are changing up, from meter we are going up to kilometer. So it is 4 step. Divide with, you tell me, divide with what? Divide with 1000. 4 step, 4 digit number, and meter will turn into kilometer. Now you can say that we have 1 2 3 3 reminder, 1 2 3 120 as a reminder, 120 as a reminder, which one will go back to the previous unit, and dividing 5 will get 5 kilometer. It is pretty easy, right? You know, if you just remove that part like this and dividing 5 with 1, you can do it by, you know, just verbal, just you know, by your mouth or by your brain. That's it. Now meter will convert it into hectometer and also decameter. So you already know that if we want to convert meter, from meter to hectometer, we are going up to 3 step. That means 3 digit number, which one is 100, and it will become hectometer. And as this is the active part of math, I am separating the both part with a plus. Now look again, 2 digit, so it will be 20 will be our reminder, getting back to meter. Okay, so answer is 5 kilometer, and 1 dividing 1 hectometer, and 20 going back to the same previous unit, 20 meter. Now this meter we have to go to decameter also. So this part is done. We are not supposed to touch that part. And remember another thing, kilometer and hectometer, you are supposed to write them so nicely, so separately, that doesn't get, you know, mix up with you know, K and H should be look different. This is much I can say. And this part is active part. Again, to convert them, meter to the decameter, 2 digit number, which is 10, and it will become decameter. And the active part is separating from the rest of the part with a plus. Now 0 and 0, no reminder. 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. So it is 5 kilometer, 1 hectometer, and 2 decameter. Now I want to remind you about something. Actually, I want to tell you something. When I was a small kid, or something like this, or few years back also, I had a problem writing decameter and decimeter. Okay, decameter and decimeter, it was a problem for me to you know, remember which one is what. This one is decameter or that one is decimeter, something like this. It made me a little bit, you know, it harassed me a little bit. So now I want to say you that kilaya hakaya dakait decameter, dakat decameter. So both are actually the pronunciation is actually almost same. So never ever forget, that one is dakait decameter. Okay, this one. And desi, see, the pronunciation actually almost same. I really don't know who invented the rhyme, but I'm really grateful, and I want to find a, you know, English version if it is possible. If anyone knows, then please get back to me. This is your answer. I'm going to go back to the 2 number math. Let me show you. I am doing the addition part. Kilometer will go with kilometer and meter will go with meter. So the first one is 12 kilometer and 510. So there is my 12, and here goes 510, and the 25 kilometer will go up just right after 12 kilometer, and 720 meter will go under 510 meter. Now we have to add them. As this one is addition, we have to add them. If it was subtraction, then we will go for subtraction. Okay, don't forget that. Now the addition part. Let me finish it, then I'm going to tell you. As you see that 2 and 1 3, 5 and 7, actually 12. So I'm going to write down only 2 and carrying 1 will go on the other side. That one is kilometer, because already you can see that if I write down 1 over here, it actually thousands place, so it actually meter, okay, sorry, kilometer, right? We are, if we divide with 1000, then the 1 will turn into kilometer. So we are going to add that just over there, not here, okay? And that is the rule actually. Here is 8 and here is 3. Now you see that we have answer. We have answer and we have to write it. So you can see that I have already write down that part. Oh, I made a mistake. That is 34. I was also thinking why this much only. 38 kilometer and 230 meter. But in our question they say that kilometer and decameter should be over here. So let's see. Tell the rhyme, say the rhyme, or sing the rhyme, whatever you say. Kilaya, Hakaya, Daka, Marila. I'm not going to write down the rest of the part because it's not needed. We don't need it. We are just going to need only decameter part. So we will go up to only 2 step. Dividing with 10. Dividing with what? 10. 38 kilometer and active session of the part, active session of the math. It is dividing with 10 and it is decameter. Now the reminder is 0. We are not supposed to write it because 0 millimeter is not, 0 meter is not our part. So 23 is dividing with 1. Our answer is 23 decameter. This is your answer. See how short the math is. It looks like, oh my god, it is so big, it's so messy, how we are going to do it? No, it is easy. Don't get worried, okay? Never ever get worried. Now the last one, phone number, let me take it up. Okay, as you can see that I have written the question, and I want to tell you that there is only again we have to convert them into kilometer and decameter, but you can see there I have meter and kilometer and meter mixed up. So what we have to do, we have to either I have to change the meter into kilometer and meter and do math like this. Otherwise I can do another thing. I can convert that kilometer into meter and sum them up, then I can just subtract it. Okay, which part you want to do, just do it by yourself, no problem. I'm actually converting a kilometer into meter, then subtraction will be very easy. Okay. Now this one, oh no, sorry, this one, no, this one. Okay, now I'm going to write down 5. Okay, the first number I'm going to write it. Now in 1 kilometer, how many meter? From 1 kilometer, if you go up to meter, there are 4 digit, 4 step, 4 digit number. So we are supposed to say that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter. Just multiply 1000 meter with it because of kilometer. I am actually taking this up and putting this down. Okay, in kilometer 1000 meter. There is a little bit more information in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter, or we can say in 1 meter there, I have already said that 1 meter there 100 centimeter and 1000 millimeter. These are the verbal terms. You are supposed to just memorize it, or you just follow that step and find it by yourself. Now I am going to make them with bracket. As this part is from 1 maths, this is why I have to give bracket over there. Okay, because this 100 and this one is not getting added. This one is one work and that one is another work. This is why I have to write down this after second bracket. Now finishing this up, both of them are meter. And if we add them, we can say 3 digit and 3 zeros, so we can just write down. Let me do the subtraction. Okay, I have done the subtraction. You can see that this is the answer, 2040 meter. Now I have to convert this meter into kilometer and decameter, just like this one. Okay, can you do it by yourself or not? Yes, totally fine. Let me do it. I'm going to go for the next page. I don't have that much space, and we are supposed to keep that much space when we are actually writing our copy, any kind of copies in our like exam copy, test copy, or your homework copy, or your classwork copy. Okay, from this I have already done the math, so you can see that dividing with 1000, so meter would become kilometer, and the remainder will go back to the previous unit, which one is meter. Remainder you can see 040, so we are not going to write down 0 over here. Now you can say that 2 kilometer, and this is the meter. We have to convert into decameter. From meter to decameter it is only 2 digits, so we are supposed to divide with 10. So remainder nothing, and 4 divided by 1, the 4 decameter. This is your answer. That's it. The last math of this session is 2 number by 2. If Reza walks 54 meter a minute, how many kilometer will he walk in an hour? Okay, in 1 hour walk how much? So we will know 1 hour and 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, Reza can cross 54 meter in 60 minutes, as 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes he can cross this much, this more minutes. So we are just multiplying them and got the result. This one is meter. As you can say, they said that how many kilometer he will walk. Okay, so we have to convert that one meter into kilometer, converting them. Now look, the decimal, we are not going to find out decameter or hectometer, something like this. No, we are not supposed to. We need to kilometer. So decimal was over here, and dividing the decimal and putting it up to 1 2 3 3 digit over here, so it will be over here, correct? So our answer is 3.24 meter. So 3.24 kilometer. So Reza will walk 3.24. I'm not writing the